Got a 1999 Saturn SL1. There's a reason why they don't make these things no more. But check engine light was on. Number one cylinder misfire. I'm having a lot of misfires here lately. I got my test light on the spark plug for number one, and it flashed for me, so that let me know that it's getting fire to the plug. So the next thing I would check is the injector to the number one cylinder, because if it's not shooting gas, then it's gonna send a misfire code also. So I'm gonna start this thing up. This is also a noid light, and noid light, what it does is it lets me know if the wiring harness works for the injector, because if the injector is not getting any power sent to it, then it's not gonna work. So it should flash. If it's working, it should flash when I start the car, and if it flashes, that let me know that the injector itself has gone bad. So we're gonna start this thing up. Oh, sounds like it's running like a wagon. All right, let's go see. Show you the spark plug light. You can see it. Let's see. See how it's flashing? That lets me know that the spark plug is getting fire. There's the noise light. Let's see if it's flashing. Got a flash to it. It lets me know that the wiring harness is working and it's sending power to the injector, so the injector itself is not working. So we're going to replace the injector on this one.